Imagine a device that not only beautifies your kitchen with its elegant design but also makes your life easier with its culinary performance. Let me introduce you to the SEVERIN Mini, a 40-liter convection oven, a little gem of technology that will transform the way you cook. Feel free to click on the link in the description to learn more about these unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The SEVERIN Mini Convection Oven, 40 liters, is the ideal ally for cooking enthusiasts looking for a compact and multifunctional appliance to prepare a wide variety of dishes in limited spaces. It is perfectly suited for students, couples, or anyone else needing to optimize space while enjoying the pleasures of oven cooking. Imagine that you could prepare crispy golden fries, delicious thin crust pizzas, or a juicy and flavorful roast chicken without ever leaving the comfort of your home. This is exactly what this compact and powerful mini oven offers you. Thanks to its 20 cm diameter pizza stone and included rotisserie, your dishes will taste like they were prepared in the best restaurants. But don't be fooled, despite its small size, this mini oven is a giant in performance with its 1800 watts of power, allowing for quick heating and perfect cooking of your dishes. The 120-minute timer with an audible signal ensures precise cooking without the need to constantly monitor your dish. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The design is no exception. With a heat-resistant black and silver lacquered body, this convection oven fits perfectly into any modern or traditional kitchen. Its interior lighting allows you to check on your preparations without opening the door, thus preserving heat and energy efficiency. Using this convection oven is a breeze. 3 rotary knobs, 4 adjustable rack positions, and a convenient side door for easy access to your culinary creations. And after tasting, cleaning is just as simple thanks to the removable drip tray. The SEVERIN Mini Oven is the culmination of over a century of innovation and German quality. True to the reputation of the brand established since 1804, every detail is designed for your comfort and safety, from the non-slip feet to the door handle that remains cool to the touch. And the best part is that this product is available at the best price by clicking on the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Finally, let's summarize the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, compactness. Its 42-liter size makes it ideal for small kitchens or as a complement to a traditional oven. Advantage number 2, multifunctional. Includes a pizza stone and a rotisserie, offering a wide variety of cooking options. Advantage number 3, power. With 1800 watts, it heats up quickly, thus saving time. Advantage number 4, practical timer. Equipped with a 120-minute timer with an audible signal for unattended cooking. Advantage number 5, design. Its elegant black and silver appearance fits well into modern decor. Advantage number 1. Advantage number 6, ease of cleaning. The removable crumb tray simplifies maintenance. Advantage number 7, quality. Represents the recognized German quality with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Advantage number 6, ergonomics. The rotary knobs and the side door provide easy use. Advantage number 7, interior lighting. Allows you to monitor the cooking without having to open the door. Now let's move on to some disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, cooking space. Despite its 40-liter capacity, it may not be suitable for 2 very large dishes or for cooking for many guests. Disadvantage number 2, thermal insulation. As with many mini ovens, the insulation is not as effective as with a traditional built-in oven. By purchasing this product, you are choosing a reliable and practical device guaranteed for 2 years that will assist you in preparing your favorite dishes day after day. And what if I told you that to make this culinary experience even sweeter, a link awaits you in the description. To order this SEVERIN Mini Convection Oven at the best price, click to discover thousands of reviews from satisfied customers and order your own culinary adventure. Thank you for your attention and see you very soon.